Yo, what's going on, everybody? It is Travie from Bullhead Gang Outdoor Adventures, and we're gonna be cooking up a little bit of something. All right, so next up, we're gonna take the steaks out of the package. We got some top sirloin, and we are going to marinate those for about a half an hour in some lean parents Worcestershire sauce. All right, we pop that lid off. And we got 4 steaks here that we're going to be marinating. Alright, so we're going to cover these steaks up in Worcestershire sauce. Alright, now we'll set that. We're going to put that in the fridge here in a minute. And we're going to marinate 1 steak in Italian dressing. Shake this up a little bit. Alright, now that the steaks are marinating, we can go ahead and prep our other stuff. Let's sit this to the side here. And we got mushrooms that we're going to slice up to put on the steaks as they're cooking. And we also have potatoes that I'm going to slice up, put rosemary on them, and bake them in the oven. And we also have a nice big shrimp that I'm going to butterfly and Panko breadcrumb those up, and we're going to have a good dinner. So now what we're going to do here is prep these potatoes for the rosemary potatoes. And I will be right back after we are done with the potato cutting. Alright, we got the potatoes prepped, and we're going to hit those Alright, now we're going to hit this with a little bit of oil. Give them a mix. Mixed with oil. And then we're going to hit them with some rosemary. Oh, shoot. Forgot to stick this back on. I might not want to stick that back on. Okay, so now we're gonna wipe the camera lens off. Hit them with some rosemary, and then we're gonna go back again and we're gonna thoroughly mix them with our hands. Oh, these smell good. Whew. I love rosemary potatoes. Give them a nice slice, a rough slice. They ain't gotta be perfect. We're gonna be eating them. They're gonna be going into our belly, so. Roast, 350. Start. All right, so we're gonna be roasting these potatoes. I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. And we'll hit them with a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. And we're going to get these cleaned up back into their pack until they're ready. Alright, so our timer is done. So we're on roast. We're going to take these rosemary potatoes and put them in here. And we're going to put those on for an hour. Alright, so we're going to dredge our shrimp. We're going to dip them in the egg mix on both sides. And it says press the Panko breadcrumbs into the shrimp. Get a plate to put these on. And we will be right back when they are finished. Alright, we got the fryer heating up. And we got all of our shrimp done. Now it's time for cleanup. We will be right back after we clean up our mess to cook some shrimp and steak. Alright, now we're starting the process of cooking the shrimp. Look at that beautiful sight. Look at those pieces that are already done. Alright guys, we just took the potatoes out. Look how beautiful. Just took the shrimp out too. Looking beautiful. While I taste test one right here. Oh. Tomato ketchup. Dick's horseradish. And some Worcestershire. Make some good cocktail sauce. I've already tried it. It's pretty good. Now we're gonna get the steaks going. So we got the Italian seasoning one right there. Leon Perrins. That one got soaked up really, really nice. And we will give those steaks about 3.5 to 4 minutes on each side. I gotta try one of these potatoes. Delicious. Cover the pan with some veggie oil. Throw in those and saute those mushrooms up. All right, and there's the plate all made up. Well, I'm gonna go eat now. I won't eat on camera, but there's the dinner all made up. Looks pretty delicious to me. We got rosemary potatoes, deep fried shrimp, some cocktail sauce, and a steak with some mushrooms on it. Looks pretty damn good to me. We're gonna go eat. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.